Hey y'all, I got some treats this morning for the chickens. There's watermelon rinds. Chickens absolutely love watermelon. If you ever have any watermelon left over or just the rind, they'll eat that. We fried okra last night, so there's some little pieces of okra and some squash or zucchini. And I've got something here that I haven't tried before. This is cushaw. Now, I've eaten a lot of cushaw, but I've never tried to feed it to the chickens. So I'm not sure how they're going to take to it. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. We'll see if any of them goes after it or not. A couple of them looks like they're going to come down and try it. They're not really going after it like they are the watermelon rind, but this little Baney is trying it a little bit. That may be something that they save for later after they've eaten the best. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.